Welcome everyone! Ninja Chefs has a very easy dessert recipe for you in our Guilty Pleasure segment that you eat and enjoy. So, how do we make an upside down pineapple cake? Well, we make it Ninja Chef style, adding a secret ingredient that is delicious, nutritious, healthy, and inexpensive. You'll love it. We also have a segment called Treat Yourself with another super easy dessert. So on this video, we have two desserts in one. And we always like to leave you with the joke of the day. So let's get to it. Hold on for the intro. Alright you guys, let's start with the equipment that you need. There's simple cooking equipment that you already have in your kitchen. No need to go out and buy. You need a cake pan, mixing bowl, mixer, handy chopper is optional, big spoon, baking spatula, a measuring cup of 1 cup and a measuring cup of half a cup, whisk, strainer, fork, spoon. Alright you guys, the ingredients we need are very simple. You need a pineapple supreme cake mix. But you can use the cake mix of your choice. It doesn't have to be the pineapple supreme. But it so happens that when we went to the market, this one was available. The cake mix box instructions indicate that we need 1 cup of water, 3 large eggs, and a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. But we omit the 1/3 cup of vegetable oil here on Ninja Chef. We have done it before in other dessert dishes. For example, in the veggie brownie recipe, we did not add the oil. So go ahead and check out this recipe under the description. With the yellow squash recipe, we also omitted the oil. It was not needed. We also made another video with a chocolate cake mix. The video is surprise chocolate cake ×3. We did not add oil on this cake. The other dessert that we made was called torta helada Peruvian dessert. So we did not add oil on this dessert either. So go ahead and check out these 4 easy recipes down below on the description. Alright, and you also will need a non-stick cooking spray. You need sugar, cherries, and of course you'll need pineapples. And the secret ingredient is sweet potatoes. Isn't that awesome? Sweet potatoes. Since the upside down pineapple cake has half a cup of sugar, which is too much, we're going to add a puree of sweet potatoes. Now you can go ahead and buy the sweet potato itself, or you can go ahead and buy the canned sweet potatoes, which are yams. Sweet potatoes help stabilize blood sugar levels by providing soluble fiber. This veggie helps with maintaining your beautiful skin, keeps your eyes healthy, and sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which is an antioxidant. So what is beta-carotene, you ask? Well, our bodies convert beta-carotene into vitamin A. Vitamin A is for healthy skin and mucous membranes, our immune system, and good eye health and vision. Beta-carotenes are in carrots and sweet potatoes, mostly in orange-colored veggies. Among the many vitamins sweet potatoes contains are fiber, vitamin C, potassium, vitamin B5, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, magnesium, manganese, and copper. So that's just a little summary of why we're using sweet potatoes in this upside down pineapple cake Ninja Chef style. We have used vegetables and fruits in our Ninja Chef desserts. Well, why not on this one? For example, in the veggie brownie recipe, we use carrots and spinach. In the yellow squash cake recipe, well, you guessed it, we added yellow squash puree. With the surprise chocolate cake ×3, we added black beans and beets puree. And with our torta helada Peruvian dessert, no veggies were added, but we did add some strawberries and some pineapples. So why not add a veggie on this easy upside down pineapple cake Ninja Chef style? Alright you guys, let me show you how easy this is. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray the baking pan with a non-stick cooking spray and set to the side. Let's begin with making the bottom layer, which is actually the top layer. In a bowl, add a half a cup of sugar. You can use light brown sugar, but here in Ninja Chef, we use regular sugar. It's up to you. Only add 1 tablespoon of oil. You can add a quarter cup of melted butter, but it is too much cholesterol for us here in Ninja Chef. We try to make desserts healthy and easy for you guys. Just add 1 tablespoon of oil. It is recommended. Mix the ingredients with a whisk. Don't worry if it's not smooth. The sugar will cook once it's in the oven. Pour the sugar mixture into the baking pan and spread it so it covers the entire baking pan, like so. Place the pineapple rings in the baking pan. Let's move the rings to fit 1 whole pineapple ring in the center. Place 1 cherry in each pineapple ring. It looks beautiful. Set to the side. Let's prepare the cake mix, Ninja Chef style. Let's follow the instructions on the box. In the same bowl we used to mix the half a cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of oil, pour in 1 cup of water. Wash the eggs before cracking them in the bowl. Place the 3 eggs in the bowl. Alright, it's time to add our secret ingredient, sweet potatoes. Alright, before we do that, let's talk about the sweet potatoes, pros and cons of using fresh sweet potatoes versus canned sweet potatoes. Well, if you use sweet potatoes, you need to peel them. Then you need to cut them, then boil them until tender. Then use your handy chopper to puree. Now, if you use canned sweet potatoes, you need the can opener, rinse and drain, and mix them in the bowl with the hand mixer along with your other ingredients in the bowl. So we'll leave it up to you guys. Here at Ninja Chef, we make easy dishes and desserts, so we use canned sweet potatoes, which are the yams. By the way, you guys, we have used canned vegetables in our cakes. For example, on this video, chocolate cake ×3, we have used canned vegetables. We use canned beets and canned black beans. So go ahead and check out that video, because on that video, Ninja Chef explains the difference between fresh vegetables and canned vegetables come out to be the same healthy-wise. And with canned vegetables or canned fruit, it's already prepared for you. It's less preparation required. So we're just trying to make it easy for you. So we're gonna go ahead and open the can with a can opener and drain the sweet potatoes, which are the yams, and rinse them. So we're only gonna use a half a cup and add them to the bowl with the water and 3 eggs. Now it's time to use the hand mixer. So go ahead and mix all the ingredients all in one. Make sure the chunks of the sweet potatoes or the yams are mixed thoroughly. See, there's no evidence of yams at all anymore. Alright, so let's go ahead and add the pineapple cake mix and mix thoroughly once again. Pour the mixed batter into the pan where we already have prepared the pineapples and the cherries. Smooth out the cake batter in the pan and place it in the oven and let it bake for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we'll go ahead and check it with a toothpick to see if it's fully baked. Meanwhile, while the cake is baking, let's cook the leftover yams and make an easy breakfast that you eat and enjoy. With your favorite pan and spatula, add a little bit of oil. Turn the burner on to high. Add the yams into the pan. Lower the heat to medium. When the yams are cooked, remove from the pan and set to the side. Add a bit of oil to the pan and turn down the heat to low and add 2 eggs. And there you have it, yams and eggs breakfast, Ninja Chef style. Hey, and don't forget your coffee. Alright, the cake should be baked by now. Let's check it with a toothpick for doneness. Well, it needs a little bit more time in the oven, so let's set the timer for 10 minutes more for baking. Alright, 10 minutes are up. Let's test for doneness with a toothpick. The upside down pineapple cake is finally done, so let's set aside to cool for 30 minutes. Place a plate or your cake holder on top of the cake and turn it right side up. And there you have it, an upside down pineapple cake Ninja Chef style. Easy, eat, enjoy. Go Ninja Chefs! Let us know if you have made an upside down pineapple cake before, or is this your first time? If this is your first time, did you make it Ninja Chef style and become a Ninja Chef? Go ahead and comment down below. Stay tuned for our Treat Yourself segment. We are so glad you decided to stay because this is our second Ninja Chef dessert on this video that we make very easy that you eat and enjoy. So let's get to it. So we're going to be making Royale Flan. It's super easy and the equipment you need is very basic, so there's no need to go out and buy. So you're going to need a large bowl, a red bowl, and a small heat-proof small bowls, a saucepan, a whisk, a measuring cup of 1 cup, and a measuring cup of a half a cup, the tiniest scissors you can find. The ingredients are very simple. On this flan, we're going to prepare with 3.5 cups of milk, 2 egg yolks, and of course the caramel and the powdered flan that comes in the box. The first thing we're going to do is follow these directions, which is the first direction here says empty content of caramel sauce packet into your large bowl or your 2 small heat-proof dishes. So we have a large bowl here and we're going to use only 2 small heat-proof dishes right here. So we're going to empty the caramel in these dishes. Set this to the side. Now if we read lower down here in the instructions, it says for a richer dessert, use only 3.5 cups of milk and mix in 2 beaten egg yolks with milk. So I would like to do that. So we're going to go ahead and pour 3.5 cups of milk into our saucepan. In our red bowl, we're going to whisk in 2 egg yolks. Let's add some milk from the saucepan to the 2 egg yolks and stir thoroughly. Add the mixture to the rest of the milk in the saucepan. Whisk the ingredients once again. Alright, it's coming out nicely. Now we're going to add the powdered flan to this mixture of milk and egg yolks. And let's whisk once again. Wow, it's such a beautiful color. Okay, we're up to step number 3. It says cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until mixture comes to a full bubbling boil. Remove from heat and slowly pour into prepared heat-proof dishes. Mixture will thicken as it cools. Alright, we're set to put it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour for the small dishes and at least 3 hours for large dishes. But do not stir. Alright you guys, time sure runs fast here at Ninja Chefs. We're ready to unmold. We have to loosen the edges of the flan from the mold with tip of knife, top with plate, invert plate and mold, remove mold. And there you have it, Royale Flan, Ninja Chef style. I hope you guys try to make this Royale Flan. It was super easy and I know you guys will eat and enjoy because that's the kind of dishes and desserts that we make here at Ninja Chef. Go ahead and comment down below. Tell us if you try making flan and let us know. Stay tuned for the joke of the day. On this video, we're going to test out palindromes, which is a word, a phrase, or sequence that reads the same backwards as forward. So these are the words: madam, mom, dad, rotator, revere, repaper, noon, Nevin. So you guys, these words read the same backwards as forward. Trust me, they really do. Hey, let me give you 2 sentences. Mr. Owl ate my metal worm. This sentence has 6 words and 19 letters. It reads the same backwards as forward. Here's the second sentence. Never odd or even. This sentence has 4 words and 14 letters. It also reads the same backwards as forward. Trust us. Alright, you guys have a great day and we'll see you on the next one.